Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In today's episode, we're going to be knocking out one of the biggest projects in our Skoolie build, and that is building a custom shower from scratch. We have so many cool ideas I cannot wait to show you. Let's get into it. So I got the valve roughed in right now. I got the line going up to the shower head, which is up there. Now I'm just waiting on Amazon to deliver the 90-degree elbows for the cold side and the hot side. Hopefully they get here soon. So we now have 3 coats of Red Guard on all the bathroom walls, and I got this Go board right here that's going to be used as the tile backer inside the shower. It's completely waterproof. If you've ever used the Curdy system, which is a foam board, it's actually a fraction of the cost.
I know you're supposed to kind of cut these with a razor blade. I actually have a steadier hand with an oscillating multi-tool than compared to a razor blade, so I feel confident.
And right here, we have the final piece of tile for the shower.
Woo! Yes. Now we just have to let this set, and then we will grout it and seal it all up.
So we finished all the grouting. We used this matte black grout, which made the white tile really pop. And then we finished it off with our Delta matte black shower kit with the Delta shower head right there, which flows right into our matte black shower pan. And due to the confined space within this little area, we didn't want to put a niche in and then, build into the wall anymore. So we got these little body wash, conditioner, and shampoo bottles that adhere with this like super strong tile glue. I'll link them down below, but it makes it super convenient so you don't have loose bottles flying around as you're driving. As you can see, you just fill them up. Body wash, conditioner, shampoo, whatever you want to do. They're awesome. Like I said, I'll link them down below. And that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Honestly, it's short and sweet. It wasn't that big of a task. Just make sure you do your research, kind of figure out what to do before you do it. Is it perfect? No. Does it work? Yes. We've had no leaks. We've had no issues so far. We've taken multiple showers in it. We've taken a road trip with it. No tiles breaking off, falling off anywhere like that. Just do your best. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. We have some really exciting news coming with our channel that we couldn't even imagine possible. I don't even know how this happened, to be honest with you. So again, like, comment, subscribe, stay rad.